Malolo malia ho eiki me lele e tonga hono kotoa. Fia ke taitan lele ki mautolu. Ki o mo uniongo ngo me le teo kai umawhi television e tonga ki he houani. Wakai koia ki he ngahi ulu iongongo. Kei whanonga ia pēr tongani e whakailonga lanu mata i he tuunga o lolo aia o kukei i he tuunga whawhia maali e pē. Whahai komisona tamate a whia koe lita pē e tahanima e pensini o kumafua i he lao ke tauhi i ngahi api no fuanga. Pea i kuna e he kautaha wawa o ke malu i ātaka e po koe vipa e he toko ni whapaanga mi usila koe paanga i tahamano ni maafe ke whakaivea e nau ngā we. E te ia e pe me ngā hitala noa ke he ana yangi whakataha me wakai ke whamimutaha me he mala e o sipoti kai uma afo ke whamatala ea. A koe wakai lewa eni ke whai ki ko au sinoli tātu i vai. Ko whoto he pule anga e whakala se tu unga o lolo i Tongani me he levolo uluaki ke he levolo ni ma. Ko e lolo Tongani o ke i he kalasi uluaki pe a Tongani aia koe lanu mataia pe o i he tu unga whawhia maali e pe ai lolo o i kai hawesia i he lolo Tongani. Ko na whahaine e ki pale mi a Tongano pe re whawhanua lolo Tonga e whakatahama ke he me ka whayongongo e pongpongi o i ahoni. I he mea pale mi a Tongano pele whawhanua o kutokanga lahi a puli anga ke he kawe ingani ka hui ko whita aki o kulolo tonga whakahoko i he hake loto o i ko ke wesia ai ngai halanga baka lolo. Ka na ane whakamahino o ko swai hano waka i whaaulili ke tuunga lolo i Tongani e whainga maali e pe a Tongani i he mahina e ua ki he tolu ka hoko. O mahino eni nei te tau mai me wakalolo i taha to apule lulu wike ko osi, pe koe wakalolo hoko i he tu apule lulu wike kaha o, pe he whoki a toru taha o i mahina ni. I hene pe heo kei whainga maali e lahi pe ngahi lolo talifaki ke whiau lelei ai whie mau ai kakai i he anga maheni.
Ai koe anga koe e mau wakai e mau whepotano aki pa moe hongo kautaha lolo, o ku whawhi maria o pito tunga kuiai ai lahi lolo koe kuhu mai ki he whonuan. Pea mau lava whapapau koe lolo koe ia o ku o mahino i peia e i he tunga whawhi maria ki ha mahina e ua pe laka ake me he ahon. Ai ko mea kuku mau whimau ki mau whahoko atu o ka pau e hoko atu pe hono tānaki, pe kono hod, ai lefa pitania, ai lolohi o pausa. E whemau ia ke mau te wakai, ai tuunga koe hono tuku atu. Koe uhiu ki ai whaunga pure anga ki hono sivi, pe mohono lewa i lelei, ai lahi lolo kok tuku atu. Koe uhinga, koe tamua ke pot tatau pe hono vahe ka ewa no, ai lolo o hange ko ia ko tau lawe kia i he kohiri. Ko ngai le son fo ken tau wako me he mena hoko i oka topa o e tau ko osi. Ko ngai makatu o ngā koe ki he no lolo i he tau ko osi o kehe me ahon. Ko pauparema koe tau ko osi, ko taha e o kautaha lolo, na e mau e nau waka lolo. Ai ko e tūtatu o tolu koe ni e mahina, ai lolo na e holo ake ai delivery e ua.
Lo tonga nina ne toe mea whikau aki mai tuunga aku iai ai whakale volo, pe koe whakalakalasi a tonga ni, me he levolo uluaki ke levolo nima. Koe levolo uluaki o kulan mataia, ai a kulelo tonga iai a tonga ni. Koe levolo ua koe lan wingenga, levolo tolu koe lan moli, levolo wha koe lan kulokula, pe koe levolo nima koe lan upolu.
O ke ai tau sistem o tau ngawe aki, ai a koe levolo e nima, koe levolo uruaki, o tau lotonga i ai he ahoni, ai koe green, o levolo e nima, ai koe green, ai tau kamata me ai, lan mata, pau ku hoko hake me ai ki he levolo ua, lanu engenga, koe lanu engenga, te tau hiki hake ki ai o ka pau, e o ngoe he pure anga, o ku holo e tunga lolo. O kia ngahi mga tuunga e tutune pure anga ke tau hoka ki levolo ua. Peko tau hiki ake peko ki levolo ua e tutun lewa pure anga mga tuunga he tutun kapneti ke tau ngawe aki hono whakatangata mo tuwha wahe tau ai lolo. Ai ka pau te tawa ki le volo wa, ta whatata pe, e malau pe ke whangatangata utu o tau pehepe taki pangani manoa. Pio hape lahi lolo ko utua ke pangani manoa, e whangatangata. Ai tatau e pepe ke utu ki ha sario te misini, pio ha utu ki ha tanke e whangatangata pe koe takpanga pe ni manoa e utu me tō taha. Pea koe tutun ko ia ko pau ke turi mui ki ai, o whai pau ki ai, ai upau sahono koto. Ka koe uhi koe tutun koe ni ke ngai pau sa, o ku iai ni ihi, o ki ke kau ki ai, ai tutun koe ia, ai whangatangata, ange koe ngahi essential services, e hoko atu pe koe uhi pe koe mahu inga nau ngawe, ai nau whi mau ki he mau ngā iwi lolo mai tisolo. Ai kau ki ai, i anga mahe ni pe koe ngahi essential services, koe whanmahaki, koe polisi, koe uhi la, koe telecommunications, ai koe DCC, moi Digicel, au ku kike whangatangata, koe uhi koe mahu inga ngai service no whahoke whanua. O ke moi le volo e taho te mālohi ange, ene whaitutuni, koe level tolu, ai e koe taua pe koe ki he level tolu, e mahino, e tau hiki level tolu, koe mao ngā iwi kou mao whalot whanua, o horo hifo o aho pe taha nima. Pea, o te mālohi ange, ai ngai tutuni whahoki ai, pea mea i lewa ta au ki level 4, ai ko emergency, i he tōnga ko kia emergency, ko oskau mai ka polisia ki hono pure, mono malu i lolo, ko uhi whi mau pe ke hoko atu ai ngā ue ai pure anga, pea pehe foki ki he ngahi essential services nau lau atu, o i kai kakato i lau atu, ka ku os mahino pe i he tutuni koe ni lau.
Lolo tonga nina i tokanga pe koe hae le volo ngali e whakahai hatu unga whatu tāmaki pe state of emergency i tonga ni. Latu i pehe pale mea koe le velo tolu e to whakahai ha state of emergency o ka whaiwhaiange e a ua tonga ni ke tu unga whatu tāmaki ko ia.
Koe le volo tolu. E au ni tau i he le volo uluaki, koe le volo ua, koe hangeha whatokanga, whatatau ki he kupwika tahataha o e lao, e whahoko atu ia me he minister mi teki. Koe le volo hono tolu, koe state of emergency ku tutun ki ai e paremia. Ai koe ne tuko ne aho ni, ko aupe ko minister pa to e paremia, te u whahoko atu e whatokanga i he le volo ua me le volo tolu.
Kai ke hoki ai whale i mihi pale mea ke kakai oi whanua au i kai ke hoko eni ke puputuu pe tai li ai e kakai oi whanua kai hui kai tuunga ngahi whita aki. Ka ako kei whema upe ke whapotopoto i ai utu e ngahi maalele i ngai whaunga nga maheni kai hui kai malawa ke whiau lele pe ai koloa lolo i he aho kotoa. Ko e whiawhia ka koa whiawhia e potu ngau ako mo ako ngā we. I whakaha ane awhi e he pale mea na usila Right Honourable Christopher Laxon ai tokoni me he pole anga na usila whe unga pea mo e tola na usila e tā whamiliona ke tokoni e sekto ako i Tongani. I he polkalamani na whakahoko ia i he apiako lotoloto Nuku'alofa ai ane taritari makehe ai he pale mea tonga whakataha me minista ako toke tamu ale o tunuku ai pale mea o na usila.
Ia mea pale mea o na usila Honourable Christopher Laxon. Ka lelei hono whakawa e hake ai ako e whanau mei he kamataanga, e lelei pē ai hala whanonga e whanau ako i he kahau. Nāne wiki a whoki e ngau e kau whai ako i he ngau e ka whakawhau nau whakahoko i loki ako, ko ui kono ako i mo tō kaki ai ilo mo e poto ki longa i whanau. Nai tō mea a Laxon, ko tau mo ai paanga tokoni ko e ni, ke whakawhainga māli e aki ai whakanau ako, pehe ke ngai whaunga e malawa ke tokonia ai ako e whanau ako i tonga ni. Ko maka maile e ni ke longa i whanau ako, i e nawa usia e taimi ne a ahi mai ai e paremia o Nuusila ki tonga ni. Lolo tonga e ni, nai mea e paremia o tonga no pere whawhanua, o whakamalo ia e tokoni ko inasi ai a tongani tau te whito ki se ki toa o e ako. Ko hili ai polo kalama na na mea ai peo a ahi mo mea tonu ke ngai ngā ue me ola lelei i apiako ae na whakafou mai i tokoni e pule anga nusila. Nai malawa ke whetaulaki ai me whanau o ku fie mau vivili makehe ai au mahino o ku malawa eni i tongani o ako i e whanau o ikaike na ulawa o lea pehe ke malu ai whanongo hange koe whakatapu. Ko ako ia e whanau ko eni he ngahi ako anga maheni pe i he tokoni e pule anga nusila. O ku mahino ai longo mo ui au pito e kau whai ako i tongani i hono ngau e aki lelei e whainga maari o ku tuku mai me he pule anga nusila. Mai o ngonga le te o me televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Nā e lawa lelei ei pia ni awhi ngahi polo kalama a whangatuku o a ahi mai e pale mia Nuku'alofa Rights Honourable Christopher Luxon ki Tongani. Ai koe kakato e polo kalama a ahi e pale mia Nuku'alofa ki Haamoa mo Tongani i he fuafua a ahi ke Pasifiki ki he tauni. Lolo tonga a hoi awane i Tongani a Luxon e whakahai ai toi whakaivia mo langa hake e tuunga whenga o ake Tongani mo Nuku'alofa. Tau te whito eni ki ngahi polo kalama ngā ue o lolo tonga tokonia e Nuku'alofa a Tongani me ngahi whatu ki he kaha o. Ko e polo kalamani nei ai tōna popua aho o ne o mai e whaikiki o tala noko iai ki hauani.
Ko e whainga maani ene nei ai au tōnu mai e pale mia Nuku'alofa Christopher Luxon ke mea tōnu ki ngahi polo kalama ngā ue na nahi o tokonia e Nuku'alofa i Tongani. O ne mea hanga tonu ai ki he ola lelei o ngahi ngā ue o whakahoko. Nei mea e pale mea Nuku'alofa whakataha mo i kau Moimoi whalaumi Nuku'alofa ko i kau whakafofonga me ngahi sektoa kehe o a ahi ki ulu i aptanga polisi i longolongo. A ko loto e pule angai Nuku'alofa, polo kalama langa o i hala whakakawakawa whanga uta, kai pehe ki he kautaha nishi. Ne mau whainga maali e ai o ngonga le teo me televisione Tonga, ke whakaike eke ai pale mia Nuku'alofa, ki hanga ne pakai, ki eni a ahi mai koe ni ki Tongani, ai a koe ni a ahi whikaua mai ia ki Tongani, talo ni hoko ke laka ngā pale mia o Nuku'alofa. Nei whamalo ia i Luxon ai talitari mawhana nei whakahoko e Tongani, me i he pale mia mo i pule anga ki he kakaiko ia ni nau kau whakataha i polokalama a ahi, nei wiki ai he pale mia e whengai aki mo i kakai o Tongani, o ne whamamawha iai ai a ahi ki he ako anga ako loto Nuku'alofa, ko i taha i ngahi polokalama tu ki mo aki a te ia i he ne a ahi koe ni, ko hi koe whainga maalia ki whiohi me whanau ako mo i kau whai ako i he mahino koe kawenga o ako mo i whakaivia o ako i Tongani, ko i taha i ngahi kawenga ne tukanga ki ai i a ahi mai koe ni.
Ko e uhio ki ai tokanga e potu ngau e tamate a whiki he tuunga hao pia mo e malu e koloa mo i mo ui o e kakai o e whanua. O kuna whamamawha i ai ai lahi o e lita pensini o kumalawa ke tauhi i ngahi api no foanga. Ko e tokanga, ko hi ko toko lahi kakai ko nau utu a e nau ngahi hina pensini tali whaki o tauhi pe i ho nau ngahi api no foanga ka au ikai ke whakalao eni. I he whatahama ke he ka whaiongongo me palemia pe ke he ni ihe ngahi kup whikau aki ki he lolo. Nei pehe komisiona tamate a whiewili amitu i halamaka, ko e whatatau ke lao ko e lita pe e tahanima o kungofua ke tuku i ngahi api no foanga. Ko e ute ngahi talamu ko pau ke whapapau i o ko mau hao lai seni.
Whatatau ki he lao tutuni ko ia e lolo, o kune o mai pe a ngahi tutuni te whito ko eni ke ngahi whare no foanga. O hange ko eni ko e o whangofua mai pe he lao, ko e kalani pe wha, pe ko e whafofua ki he rita tahanima, ke ave o tuku ia whare, pe ko to apno fuanga, ko i te lahi ai. Pe a kapau ko ha whare tana anga nau, pe ko e koloa i tua, o ku whangofua mai pe, ko e kalani pe wanoa, pe ko e whafofua ko e kalani e wanoa, whafofua ki he rita e fitungo fulmanima, fitunima, kai te lahi ai. Pea, emda tau pe o ko ngahi utu koni i he ngahi container, pe ko hina, pe ko talamu. Ko utu koni i he talamu, o whia uia ke iai halai senia. Pe ko iai e ngahi tutun pau ia, pau ke whakakato, kai te lava o whakaata atu ke utu talamu. Ko hi pe ko e tunga ko ia ku amana ki pangai ko mea na e lawe kei i paremia o tau I he levolo ula ki he tainim. Pau whi mau ia ke whakauka I pot ngā ue, ai ngai whaitokanga ki ho iki mo kakai whanua, ki he tunga I tainimi ai utu he kakai ai lolo, ai kawai benzin mo di solo. Ke toi whaianga hano whaitonga. Pea pehe ki pau ke whai whingai aki, pea moiongo kautaha lolo, pea pehe ki upausa, ke mau ngai whakataha, ki he tūtūn ko ni ki whapapau, o malu mo hao, e ka kai whanua, ka uhina hoko ha whatu tāmaki.
Lolo Tongani o kia toka ngalahi ko hui koi hao moi malu I tauhita e whakalau ai lolo, ai o kau ke pensini, ti solo moi kalasi ni. Ne tuko te pewhale I atu I halamaka ke fu whatu tāmaki e koloa lolo I hono tauhi ngai api na whoanga.
Tūnga koe ni o e malu, e ka kai e whanua, ki he whatu tāmaki. I hono tauhi tae whalao ko ia o e lolo, a ia ku koe koloa anu kau kia I benzin, diesel, pia ku kau pe whoki ai pia mo e kalasini. O ku whatonga he pot ngawe o ku kamata ke lahi, a hono utu, e kakai, ai koloa koe ni, o ave o tauhi, ngahi koloa koe ni I hona ngahi api, pia ku tae whakalao. Ku watai e whamanatu koe ni pia me he pot ngawe. Koe koloa koe ni o ku velango fua, pia ku vave, pia ku whatu tāmaki au pito. E malawa pe ke hoko halavea, pe more ha mo ui, ki he kakai, pia I kai ngata ai, koe safety ko ia, pe koe tunga malu ko ia, e kautama te awhi, o malawa pe ke toe uesia e nau mo ui, o ka pa e whaiwhaiangi ku hoko ha mama, pe ko ha vela.
Kai ke heko konga ene palani ngau ma te utea pule anga o ka whaiwhaiange o kuesia I Tongani ai pensini, pia ngā untoko lahe te kakai o utu e ngai hina pensin tarifaki o tauhi I hona o ngahi api na whoanga. Ko alu peke te whalalahi mai I ngahi tau ki muini ai wesia o e whililiwaki o e ea I he ako o e whanau. Ka tau te whito ki he ngahi otumotu pe he whoki ki he ngahi api ako o nau tuu I he ngahi kolo o tuu lawe angofua ki he whililiwaki o e ea. Nai ka matawha ofisialia I he ahoni a hano ngawe a ki he potu ngawe ako ai polokalama ngawe ko e Praise Project whataha mo I kautahalahe Pasifiki ko Save the Children o whapaanga ia I sino I paanga tokoni ki hono tau he ātaka I iloa ko Green Climate Change. Ko e polokalamani na ia I tonu a litea tau kapo o no mai whaikiki o e tala noa ko ia ki hauani.
Koe polokalama ngāwe koe ni, o whakatau mo aia ki whānau wako I otomotu ki toke lau. Kai pehe ki ngai api ako ki uta, I hahake mohi hifo, o kunau tuu lawe angofua ke wesia mei he wheliuli waki o ea, kai tau te whito ki ngai api ako o I kai hamau anga I vipau, ke whakapapau I ai hoko lelei ai ako I api ako koia, I he mau e ngahi nau hange koe uhila moe vai. Na whamatalai e pule lahi o potu ngāwe ako, iskeli oko. O ku kau ke polokalama ngāwe koe ni, a whenga ke whakahu I silapa ako a Tongani, a le soni ki he wheliuli waki o ea, pe koe climate education. Ko tau mua e le soni koe ni, ke whakatau kei mono teuteu I a whanau ako, ke ilo e ngai ngāwe ke whakahoko ki he matātali e wesia me he wheliuli waki o ea, pe koe whakatamaki whakaenatula.
Wai whakakonga e project koe ni, kono whatu e silapa ki he le soni fo ou tāna ki mai ko climate education ko uinga bege mateu te wange tuk mateu te wange whanau pe nau iloange ke ngai mea hoko pe mateu te o ka hoko hamea ai ko climate education o whakahu I he form ki olunga ko he high school as an option o kuino tiusek pe o kamatak pe lalo he saini sipa mo shokalafi o le ko mo specific ke na to ki specialize yang o ku ngau ki he ngai form ki olunga climate education pa fa o kotoa umia ke e feliuli wake ea ngai mea e hoko ka ko mea ai ko na wilo ko mea e fai ka pa e hoko mea ko standard operation procedure ka to ngai mea ka ku loto ia sila pa ko ne fatu ko ni ko e ko ngai procedure ko ni ai ko ngala hia nga ko ni mo no training ka fa ko ke na la watili variation for pa ko e ka fa ko train ka wa to kana ki nga o to fa ko pe ka fa ko fu la ye me kana po wa lo ti ka fa ko fe ma ke train ka fa ko ma ke na fa nga so ai una window t-shirt ko ki nga o aki ke la wa fa ko le
Nā toi pehe e oko, koe whainga maali e to tonu e ni mo lelei ki honoa koi ai mo ui ma teu ki e whānau wako, ki nau ilo pau ki ngahi ngāu e te nau whakahoko. Lolo tonga e ni, na whakahoko ai e whai ki eke wa angongo me tale kita e kautaha Save the Children ki e Pasifiki, Kim Koch. Nā ne pehe ai koe me alahi beia nei kauai a Tonga i whanua e tolu, na e whili ki whakahoko kei e polo kalama ngāu e ko e ni, koe uhi pe koe tuu la vea ngofua a Tonga ki he wheliuri waki o ea, pe mo e tau mua ki no whaka ai a koe whanau ki nau ilo ki e ngāu e wheliuri waki o ea. Koe polo kalama ngāu e koe ni, o kwhengau a kia e potu ngāu e a ko me kautaha Save the Children, i lea pau tau e nima. Mai o ngonga le tio me televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Kua unui hake e kautaha wawao ki hano malu i ātaka e poke vipa, me ngahi kautaha e ono me e Pasifiki, ke i kuna ai tola no usila taha mano ni maafu ki hano whakaivia na ngā aue ki hano malu i, mo toka ngai kina e ātakai, mono ngahi mea mo uwi. Ne whakahai kuna ko e ni ane fiafi i suwa fisi i he polokalama ako ngawe makehe ki he ātakai, ai aku lolo tonga kawat ki ai whaingo, ngai whaleni liliani polo tele, o ne tuku mai e lipoti whekau aki mo i kawingani.
Ko e hili eni hono whili e he kautaha ngā ue whawhito o ai Pasifiki ki ono toko nia e ngahi nau ne wesi e mo uilele e ātakai pe Brisms e ngahi kautaha ngā ue ki e ātakai e ono me he Pasifiki o fua ki ke teki nau tonu tanki tona no sila e ni mawhi ke toko nia e ngā ue whia ma bibili ke whai ki e ātakai mo e mea mo ui e whanua. Ka na e whili mea i kautaha e taha ai a ko Tonga, ke i kuna e tola no usila e taha mano ni mawhi, ke toko nia ngā ui palani lonoa ki he kaha o mo whababau i o kuhiki tō ai ngā ue ki matua ki mo tau i ngai a kau pe mea mo ui a kune wisia e mo ui lele e ātakai o hange koe ia koe komaa. Ne mātu ngā hono whili o i kautaha vipa o Tonga me i wawao, keu hiko i manupuna fo'o me a kau fo'o ne toki mau, pia i kai haia i hatoe whanua kehi e Pasifiki, ai a koe manupuna ne koe ni ne fuafua whakatoka ngā ia i wawao i he wā whitawha o whakahingoa e tāhine princesi pilo le vutoi tā koe henga. Ne whamala alaheni a e whafufonga mi he vipa, ai na ane whakahoko atu i ngāwe ni i sowa fisini ko tāli tamori ki he ngāwe koe ni o hoko atu ki ai timi koe ai vipa o pehepe ki hono whapapau i ai a kao koe ai ne toki whātuka ngai kohi ko enelelei koe a ki he whanua.
Ka koe ki manpuna koe ni tu whanua ia ko winga ko tongani pe mauai. Pea kono ui whapapalangi ko Tongan wisla. Pea nai whahingoa ia me whare tu i tahine princesi pilo levu ko e henge henga. O ki manpuna ko ni ko wawa upe nai discover fufua mauai. I he wanua taha i he whahoko ko ia e biodiversity rapid assessment and I discover ni ai ki manpuna ko ni.
O ko whakapaanga e ngā weni e he kautaha e ano o sila ai ane pehea i whafufonga mi he kautaha e ano o sila kiri Hennepin o gulahi pe ngai pole o kwhianga ngai me ngai whanua o e Pasifiki o hange koea koe lorotonga ni ai kei hoko hoka tu pe tau i he haha ke loto pea wesi ai a lolo o ka wai mo no sila i he wesi a koea i he lolo ka ko paupe ke osi pea ngata e palopale ma ko ia. Koe mea unau tokanga ki ai, koe ngahi palopalema o kuhoko ki e a takai, o i kei ngata pe i he whiri liua ki o ea. Ka ke whakaau ha e mono manu, a kau pe nau nau o kune wesia ai mā ui ui, mo ui lelei mo i tūloa e a takai o i whonua, mo i hakau wheo pehe ki e manupuna o i a tā.
Paanga koe ni e tokoni lahi e ka ki nau tolu, i kai ko wawa upe mau tamu at ki hapai. Ke te expand e mau ambassador hai ke toko lahi ke mau whetokoni aki. Ia e mau project i mo e i ke Prims Paper mo e atakai ko ia e government. Mau whetokoni aki mau at ki hapai ke ngahi motu uninhabited island. So far hoko e Prokalama invasive species hono monitor ngahi motu ko ni ke free red islands e. Ke whapapau i pewe ke hako mai, ke nihanga wesia ki motu ko ia.
Mei sova fisi ma ai o ngongo ai le te o Tonga kua o Liliani Porotele.
Ko Liliani Porutele ia koe whai ngongo e whaleni ai o ni lautonga i sua fisi i he polokalama ko makehe ko ni o whikau ake me toka ngai kina o i a takai. O ni o ngong whalot whanua i ke hauani te tawakai rewa hen ke whamumui taha me he mala e o sipoti o kahili e ni pia mo pia o lie.
Malama tau ki whilonga ki koe wakai ni ki mala e o sipoti. O kuleri matangi e teu e whea ko songa timi whawhanua tau tahao no, manu tua lau pe mo ne skwati toko watolu. Ko teu ke tāre ngai whanua pāsu ki ke nau wei pāki hasea i he whiahi e level ko ni ukiloa ko championship i he mahina ko siulai. Wharatau ki hangonga tuku mai pe me kau taha soka antonga, teu ate kahau e tu lalo pe ki hono taitari Amerika haa moa, Vanuatu me o tu motuku ki he senta o soka pe i valunga fulu vei tongo. E tawhimala e ai tu lalo pe junior mo i timi a Vanuatu he ampule lula wike kahau, hoko mea e tu motuku ki he tōnaki a hoa valu, pe a tātuku mo e timi ko e Amerika haa moa e tu si te autou taha. Kai lo tonga niko toko tolu e whanau mi tua puri anga, te nau whaani ari mai tu lalo pe junior, ai ko Ridvan te kiu, aidan whanua mo Tracy Kulu. I hene perewa ko aidan whanua, ko e whanau tamai ai ko ristai lulu, ai anai mao no whenga maari e ke wholau o ako mo soka i King's College i New Zealand. Ka ke koe kuna i he whiahi koe a Tongani e wholau ia ki Papua New Guinea, whakawhikeki ki hau koe tau tahao no whakataha mo Tahiti, o tumotu Solomone mo New Zealand i he Group B, ka e whipaki a whisi haa moa Papua New Guinea mo New Caledonia i he Group A. Ka ke koe skuati koe ai temi tangata tau tahao no, ui kia hengi o Tuhoma, Isteli Leao, Matthew Sonasi, Aidan Whanua, Timote Prescott, Soane Tonga, Stefano Nasio, Songeloa Tautua A, Teu Fong, Sione Matakai Yongo, Sitaleki Kautai, Semis Whakahau, Tracy Kulu, Daniela Kaho, Sefo Mikaele, Derek Tupo, Lose Latu, Semis Te Vunga, Krisimasi Fiu, Wākotone Kaitapu, Ridvan Te Kiu, Motroi Tau Malolo, Pea Kapteni Pe, Asioeri Vea Tupu, Kai Whaiako Amanu Tualau.
Ko pia o lia e mai whamimita me he mala e o sipoti, te tawakai lewa heni ki he tuunga o e ea, toko me me senta whamatala ea tonga i whamotu, pia mo ino ke lelenga.
Alo e lau maare ho iki pa mo le rea e tonga kotoa, tai tai reiping mo tolu ki e tau whamatala ea, tungan te tau ia i he hoa koe e ua whaa ka hoko mai, e tau ke i whea pe pa mo e alo maare, tau te whiton ki Tongatapu pia mo e ua, pia e hoko tai pe pa mo e maa whanang koe o ea ki he otu Tonga. Taimta tau malawa ki ai ha uha tu moto ki he whatoke lauen, tau te whito pe nia ki he ngoniwa, pe hoki wa wau pia mo hapai. He tau whawhirongat koe i he pōni, pe whakau ke alo maari e pe ki a pongi pongi. Pea koe angare waine wakai koe ki he emisi satellite koe a ahoni, ha mahinot pe e lahi alo maari e koe ia, a tau ngahi wahe whonua i he ahoni. Tuku ke anga ngahi ao maulalo ne ngā unu mai pia me i he whakahake koe o me he alo maari e koe pia me he whakahake e ngahi ao maulalo koe ni. O au fia ha ngahi taimi, e nei whaka ngahi uha tu moto ia ngahi whetu e ni tau te whiton ki Tongatapu pia mo e ua. Ka nei lahi alo maari pe ahoni. E whupa moha alo tāmaku uha ne toka ki he potahi koe o Teriki Tonga pia mo Teriki Toke Lau, ne o mea ha uha mana mana pe he whoki ki ha haviri hako hako tau te whiton ki Teriki Tonga pia mo Teriki Toke Lau. I ne pe hoko toi hono tukat ai whatokanga hako hako, Pe he foki e whare ke ngai wakai ki potahi ko te riki Tonga, pe mo te riki toke lau. Ka koe ngare wene whakai ko ia ki he aho nima koe ka hoko mai ki he o Tonga, koe alo maari enu ne pure i koe ia e toka haviri, pe foki tunga e a ki aho koe nima ka hoko mai, tene o mea e haviri ke angi pa me hahake, pe foki he Tonga hahake, pe a ikai ngata i tene toi whetukutuku mai pa moha ngāhi uha tu umoto ki he o Tonga i he aho koe e nima koe ka hoko mai. Tau te whita ni e whaasinga wike pa moe, kamatanga koe ia o e wike kaha o. Ka koe whamatalaia re wani pa me he poni, o au ki he pongpongi ko ia a pongi. Whatoa ngā iange e lahi ke alo maari e pe wai whanua ko ia Tongatapu pe mo e ua ka ko wawau pe mo haapai. Pe foki ni o top tapu malawa ke aha ngahi uha tu umoto i he ngahi wai whanua ko i he poni malawa ke lolo lahi a ngahi taimi iha ngahi wheitu ka lahi alo maari e pe foki ki niwa fo ou. Mo tāne fua maa whanaa he poni e au ke maulalo ko e tigiri e ua whaa ki Tongatapu ua nima ki wawau mo haapai pe a ua ono ki whatoke lauto ki maa whanang pe foki a e ongo ni ua. Ko tonga koe haviriu pa mihi hahake pe moe tonga hahake ki ko tope o tonga meri tahi hongo fulu ki he tahanima. Ko e whamtalaya koe ki a pongi, wha au ke alo maari e atu a wawau pe he foki ki haapai ki a pongi, pe a hoko pe alo maari e ki Tongatapu pe a mo e ua kai pe he foki ki he hongo ni ua. Tupe mene alo maari e a uai tunga koe fo mawhana pe koe maalunga taha. Tikiri e tolu taha ki he tolu ua ki ko toa pe o tu tonga. Ko e taimi ko ia tahi tau maari e tahi i he tohe ngofulu ko ia ki he walu i he poni pe a mahatoka ia hototonu ko e ua tua po ia e poni. La pe moe mahi nā hopo e la i he toe taha ono ko ia ki he fitu e pongpongi hopo e pima moe mahi nā i he osiwa walu ko e pa me fitu pongpongi e pe mo ia a pongi. Whaosio pe whamtalaya a hoi nima koe ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa ka matai pe me he tōna ki o au ki he pule lulu ko e wike kaha u e lahi peke alo maari e ka he tahi mtatau malafoki i ai pa moa ngahi uha tu moto. Fua mawhana e au ki tigiri ko e tigiri so se tolu taha ki he tolu ua. Pea ko e taungatanga piki hani, malo pito homo mea mai, ka mo mea.
Pea ko ino ke lelenga ia mo i whamimitaha me he whamatala e a te tau wakailewa heni ki he ulu i ongo ki mo apetau mawai. Kei whanonga ia pea tongani e whakailonga lanu mata i he tuunga o lolo aia opo kei i he tuunga whawhia maari e pe. Whahai komisiona tamate awhi ko e lita pe e tahanima e pensini o kumafua i he lao ke tauhi i ngahi api no foanga. Pea i kuna e he kautaha wawa o ke he malu i ātaka e po e vipa i he tokoni whapaanga ni usila ko e paanga i tahamano ni maafi ke whakaivea e nau ngā we. Pea koe kakate pe hongo wongongo he lea whatonga me leitio ka uma afu ki televisioni tonga ki Hawani pea mo ia whakaamunea utono atu ki he loto whale o e tonga ahono kotoa. Whamalo te tau keisi au mai ko au sonorita tu iwai ka mamea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, government reassures the public that our fuel supply is at a green level status, indicating a comfortable supply at the moment. The New Zealand Prime Minister announces a 14 million New Zealand dollar support of the education sector in Tonga. And the Ministry of Education and Training launches a new initiative to counter the effects of climate change on the education sector. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest in sports and the weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I'm Popoa Aho. Tonga is currently operating under a colour-coded fuel level system, and it remains at level 1 or green, meaning the fuel supply is stable and there is no impacts at this time. This was confirmed by the Prime Minister Lord Whakawhanua during a special press conference this morning to address fuel supply concerns along with energy stakeholders.
Prime Minister Lord Whakawhanua says that the government is paying close attention to the fuel supply issue due to ongoing conflicts in the Middle East, which are affecting global oil shipping routes. However, he clarified that after careful assessment, Tonga is expected to have sufficient fuel for the next 2 to 3 months. It is also confirmed that a fuel tanker arrived last Thursday and another tanker is scheduled to arrive next Thursday and also on the 31st of this month. This means that fuel reserves remain sufficient to meet normal public demand. The Prime Minister also clarified that fuel level classification system used in Tonga is the Level 1 Green Normal, the current status, Level 2 Yellow Colour, Level 3 Colour Orange, Level 4 Colour Red and Level 5 Colour Blue. He noted that the state of emergency would only be declared at Level 3 Orange if the situation worsened to that point. In conclusion, the Prime Minister advised the public not to panic due to global tensions, but to continue using fuel responsibly and normally so that the supply can continue to meet the demand.
It was great news for the Ministry of Education and Training yesterday when the Prime Minister of New Zealand, Right Honourable Christopher Luxon, announced assistance from the New Zealand government, totalling 14 million New Zealand dollars to support the education sector. The program was held at Nuku'alofa Government Middle School, where the Tongan Prime Minister, together with the Minister of Education, Dr. Moale Otunuku, welcomed the New Zealand Prime Minister.
In his remarks, Honourable Christopher Luxon says that when children's education is built on a strong foundation from the beginning, it leads to a better path for their future. He also acknowledged the work of teachers for their dedication and commitment in the classroom as they impart knowledge and skills to young students. Luxon further explained that the purpose of his funding is to improve access to educational resources and develop methods that will better support students' learning in Tonga. This visit was a memorable occasion for the students as it marked the time when the Prime Minister of New Zealand visited Tonga. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister of Tonga, Lord Whawhanua, expressed gratitude for the support that Tonga has received, especially for the education sector. After the program, the two leaders visited and observed activities and positive outcomes at the school that were made possible through support from the New Zealand government. They were also able to meet students with special needs, showcasing the progress being made in special education, particularly for children who are hard of hearing, who are being taught in mainstream education settings with the support of the New Zealand government. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
The New Zealand Prime Minister, Right Honourable Christopher Luxon's visit to the Kingdom wrapped up yesterday evening, with the Prime Minister and delegation returning to New Zealand last night. During Prime Minister Luxon's time in Tonga, the visit highlighted the strengthening and further development of the relationship between Tonga and New Zealand. Prime Minister Christopher Luxon's visit provided a valuable opportunity to personally see the major development programs funded by New Zealand in Tonga and to directly observe the positive outcomes of these initiatives. The New Zealand Prime Minister, along with his delegation of representatives from various sectors in New Zealand, visited the Central Police Station in Nongodongo, Nuku'alofa Government Middle School, the Whangauta Bridge construction site at Fulaha, and the Nishi Trading Company. Radio and TV Tonga News had the opportunity to speak with Prime Minister Luxon about his reflections on the trip. Prime Minister Luxon expressed his appreciation for the warm welcome extended by Tonga from the Prime Minister and government to the people who took part in the visit programs. He acknowledged the warm engagement of the people of Tonga and highlighted his visit to the Government Middle School of Nuku'alofa as one of the highlights of his trip, for the opportunity to interact with the students and teachers who benefit from programs supported by the New Zealand government.
We've had an absolutely fantastic trip here over the last 2 days. We've done a lot together. We've talked about education, we've talked about healthcare, we've talked about agriculture, we've talked about investing in infrastructure with the Lagoon Bridge, and it's just been a very good chance to come and meet with the ministers and the Prime Minister and to reaffirm our very strong connections with each other, because we are family after all, and it's been very special to be here. So it's been a fantastic visit. Yeah, look, I mean, that's the highlight of a trip to Tonga. I mean, this is the absolute standout. I found that when I came here for the Pacific Island Forum, is the people. They're just amazing, just incredibly welcoming, incredibly friendly, and incredibly generous, and the hospitality is just the best in the world. And so I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who's helped on our visit and who's been so welcoming to me and my delegation. I've brought some very big community leaders, some business leaders and political leaders to this delegation, to this trip trip as well, and they've had the best time. They've felt very welcome with everybody that they've met. So yeah, I mean, going to the school today was very special to see these young people so keen and eager to learn, and they of course are the future of Tonga, and they're so well set up to do well in the world.
Following yesterday's program, Prime Minister Laxon and delegation attended a farewell reception held in their honour before they departed the country to return to New Zealand. Due to concerns from the fire and emergency services about the safety and protection of people's lives and property, the Fire Commissioner has urged the public to follow the safety guidelines, re-emphasizing the legal limit on how much petrol can be stored in residential homes, as concern arises due to people panic buying and hoarding petrol in their homes.
In a press conference with the Prime Minister this morning regarding fuel-related matters, the Fire Commissioner William Nuku'alofa says that according to the law, only 15 litres are permitted. Storing fuel in trams requires ensuring that a proper license is obtained. At present, there is significant concern about the safety risk associated with the improper storage of fuel, including petrol, diesel and kerosene in homes. Nuku'alofa also issued a warning about the dangers of storing fuel in residential areas. However, this situation is part of the government preparedness plan in case Tonga is affected by petrol shortages, which could lead people to store fuel in containers at their homes.
And the Ministry of Education and Training have launched the BRACE project, or Building the Climate Resilience of Children and Communities Through Education, a 5-year initiative in partnership with Save the Children and funded by the Green Climate Fund, aimed at countering the effects of climate change on the education sector, particularly the students in the outer islands and schools located in vulnerable areas.
The Building the Climate Resilience of Children and Communities Through Education, or BRACE project, is part of a 5-year agreement between the Ministry of Education and Save the Children. Focuses on supporting schools in remote and high-risk areas, especially those with limited resources, by strengthening their ability to respond to climate-related challenges. The Education CEO, Isikelioko, says a key part of the program is the introduction of climate education into the national curriculum, aimed at equipping students with the knowledge and skills to respond to climate change and natural disasters. Save the Children's Pacific Regional Director Kim Koch says the Pacific region is facing the climate crisis more directly than many other parts of the world, and Tonga has the opportunity to demonstrate how climate change can be addressed within schools and education system. Koch adds that one of the key focuses of the project is reaching the most vulnerable communities.
Well, I think everything that's needed is already well here within Tonga. It's just about mobilizing the right partnerships to address this specific issue. And I think the hardest part about the climate crisis hitting schools is that the more remote schools, the more vulnerable they are to climate change, and yet the harder they are to reach. So this project is really trying to target those harder to reach areas and trying to bring together the climate change and education sectors so that they're not only working together in this project, but really planning for a climate future together, integrating kind of climate into the schools, into the curriculum, into teacher training, so that this is something that it's a collaboration that lasts for a really long time.
The BRACE project is expected to strengthen resilience in Tonga's education system and ensure that students, especially in remote communities, are better prepared for the impact of climate change over the next 5 years. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
That was the latest from the local scene. Up next, we'll join Pia Olia for the latest in sports.
Welcome back in sport. The junior Nuku'alofa football team is ready to showcase their talent at the OFC Under-16 Men's Championship 2026 qualifying stage. The tournament will be held at the home of football in Waitonga, Tonga. This is the qualifying stage for the main championship, which will take place in Papua New Guinea in July. The Tonga Football Association confirmed to Radio and Television Tonga Sports News that Tonga will host American Samoa, Vanuatu and the Cook Islands next week. Tonga will kick off their campaign against Vanuatu on Wednesday, followed by the Cook Islands on Saturday before facing American Samoa on Tuesday the 31st. The 23-member squad includes a mix of local players and 3 based in New Zealand: Ridvan Tegiu, Aidan Fonua and Trace Kulu. Fonua is a former Dailulu College student who earned a scholarship to study and play football at King's College in New Zealand. The winner of the qualifying stage will advance to Group B of the championship, joining Tahiti, Solomon Islands and New Zealand. Group A will feature Fiji, Samoa, New Caledonia and the host nation. Meanwhile, head coach Manu Tualau leads the squad.
That was your sports news with Bia Olie. Now taking a look at the latest weather update from the Foremost Weather Forecasting Centre, presented tonight by Inoke Lelenga.
Hello and good evening. Welcome to your evening forecast. Here's what we're expecting for the next 24 hours. Fine weather for the southern part of Tonga, mainly Tongatapu and Ewa, with warmer air temperature to persist for all of Tonga. Showers of rain are expected for the northern part of the group, the newest, Vava'u, and also Hapai. For tonight, will become fine by tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our satellite imagery, we're seeing fine weather for all of Tonga for today, except some small low clouds that are drifting in from the east into our land areas, bringing some cloudy period at times. Also some showers of rain were experienced over Tongatapu and Ewa, but it was mainly fine today. There's also a trough lies over Teleki Tonga and Teleki Tokelau. This trough brings cloudy condition, heavy rain, and also thunderstorm. Not only that, but strong wind for Teleki Tonga and Teleki Tokelau coastal waters. Therefore, strong wind warning and small craft advisory remains in force for Teleki Tonga and Teleki Tokelau coastal waters. For the next 5 days across the region, this ridge of high pressure will be the main drivers of our weather for the next 5 days, directing east to southeasterly winds for the next 5 days for all of Tonga. Also, these easterly winds will bring in some showers of rain for all of Tonga, especially the end of this week and also the start of next week. Possible heavy falls for Tongatapu and Ewa by Monday and Tuesday next week. But here's our forecast from tonight up until tomorrow morning. Will be mainly fine for Tongatapu and Ewa. Clear skies for tonight. For Vava'u and also Hapai, we're expecting some isolated showers, possible heavy falls at times over some places, including Nuku'alofa, but Nuku'alofa would be mainly fine tonight. Minimum temperature for tonight will be dropped down to 24 for Tongatapu and Ewa, 25 for Hapai and also Vava'u, and a little bit warmer for the northern part, 26 for the newest. Our winds still prevail from the east and also from the southeast for all of Tonga, reaching up to 10 to 15 knots for all of Tonga. And our forecast from tonight, for tomorrow, we're expecting fine for Vava'u and Hapai. It will be improved by tomorrow morning. Mainly fine for Tongatapu and Ewa, becoming fine for Vava'u and also Hapai, and including the Niua will be mainly fine for tomorrow. Therefore, our maximum temperature for tomorrow will be rise up to 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. And tide prediction, high tide will be at 10 to 8 p.m. tonight, and low tide will be at 2 o'clock a.m. later tonight. Sun and moon sunrise will be at 16 minutes to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and moonrise will be at 28 minutes past 7 a.m. tomorrow morning again. Wrapping up with the 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, starting by Saturday up until Wednesday next week. It will be mainly fine, apart from cloudy periods, but we're also expecting isolated showers. Maximum temperature for the next 5 days for Nuku'alofa will be reaching up to 31 to 32 degrees Celsius, and that will be all for tonight. Good night.
Thank you to Inoke and the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest weather updates. That wraps up this hour's news package with radio and television Tonga news for tonight. But before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Government reassures the public that our fuel supply is at a green level status, indicating a comfortable supply for the moment. New Zealand Prime Minister announces 14 million New Zealand dollars to support the education sector in Tonga. And the Ministry of Education and Training launched a new initiative to counter the effects of climate change on the education sector. That was the latest news with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.